back at it on Barry 66. Gonna swap out the alternator. Gonna swap out the voltage regulator. I've already unhooked one connector, and I noticed that this lovely shitty repair somebody did in the past is no longer holding up. So I'm gonna get that addressed. I'm gonna pull this here alternator. Gonna pull that voltage regulator. Done deal, quick, easy, painless. Alternator's out. Bloop. My alternator is in, ready to go. Looking good. Gonna do our voltage regulator next. Old one, pretty much out. Just need to undo these two grounds. I've had to undo this ground for this resistor as well. And then there was some hokey grounding on this relay to God only knows what we got going on here. But yeah. Hey, look, pretty new voltage regulator. Just gonna get this little ground into its home and we be done. Much better at idle. We're at 13.8. Yesterday it was at like 13.2 and then dropping. Yeah. So we are good. You want to give her just a little bit of RPM for me, Barry? Just for a second, and then we'll let her run a little bit. Maybe put a battery tender on it. Go ahead. Come up a little bit. $13.9. Go. All right, just let her idle. There we go. We'll let her run a little bit, but definitely putting out like it should.